Yes, as the title suggests, the speed of rotation of our world is decreasing. Before we move on to this topic, let's see together, what is the current speed of the Earth around its own axis? Let's take a look at how to find it, then let's explain why this speed is decreasing. Before starting our video, don't forget to press the subscribe button to contribute to our channel and be informed about notifications. Let's start. Finding the rotational speed of the Earth is quite simple. What we need is the length of the Earth's circumference and how long it takes to rotate that length. Fortunately, we have information on how long it took to return. It returns in 1 day. Although we define a day as 24 hours, this is an assumption we make with reference to the Sun. The orbital time of our planet is actually exactly 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4.1 seconds. The reason it is less than 24 hours is because it revolves around the Sun at the same time as it revolves around itself. When it completes one revolution around itself, it has moved a little further in orbit, so it cannot face the Sun completely and has to rotate a little more. That's where the additional 4 minutes come in. We have time information. There is only one path information left to find. We can find this by starting from the circle. Since our planet has a spherical structure, we can easily find out how long the equator is. Since the circumference of the circle is 2r, there is another thing we need to know here, which is the radius of the Earth. As a result, we can gather the information we have and find the rotation speed of the Earth. If x equals vt, then v equals x or t. X equals distance, v equals velocity, t equals time. If we want to express 23 hours and 56 minutes in terms of hours, we can find how many hours 56 minutes are and add them to 23 hours. So 23 plus 56 60 equals 23.93 hours. Since Earth's equatorial radius is 6,371 kilometers, v equals 26371 km 23.93 hours. It is found that v speed equals 1,673 kilometers per hour. In other words, 465 meters per second. Yes, our world is spinning non-stop at this speed. Of course, we are spinning with our world. For example, it is close to the speed of an F-16 fighter plane. So why is the speed of our world slowing down? Tom O'Brien, a physicist at the U.S. National Institute of Standards and Technology, says that the time it takes for the Earth to complete one full rotation on its axis varies by a millionth of a second each day. Although some days are shorter than average, the planet's rotation shows a long-term slowdown. This will eventually lead to longer days. Scientists have reliable information about the rate of Earth's rotation dating back to about 2,500 years ago, based on observations of the Sun's position in the sky during solar eclipses. Although this rate of rotation did not decrease very regularly, the average length of a day during that period grew by 15 to 25 millionths of a second each year. Even at top speed, it would take 140 million years for the Earth's rotation rate to drop so low that it would require 25 hours in a day. You don't have to worry about should I add another day to my calendar? Although the planet's orbital speed is decreasing very slowly, it is orbiting the Sun as fast as ever and showing no signs of slowing down. The reason for this slowdown is the gravitational effect of the Moon and the melting of the glaciers. Yes, you heard it wrong. Continuing their research on tides and glaciers, scientists discovered that the speed of the Earth's rotation slows down by 1/1800th of a second. Century. Scientists examined many historical sources and important celestial events, from clay tablets engraved with cuneiform by Babylonians between 720 AD and 2015 AD, the ancient Greek archives, from Chinese almanacs to medieval European and Arabic inscriptions. According to all these studies, the most important factor that restrains the Earth is the tides in the oceans due to the gravitational force of the Moon. In addition, the change in the shape of the Earth due to the melting of glaciers is an important factor among the factors. However, it is certain and clear that there will be no visible change in the short term. Yes, we see the effect of the human factor on this. Global warming really affects our world in every field. We can predict some of its effects, But what we cannot predict will cause problems for us in the future. We have come to the end of our video for today. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. See you again.